Oh my goodness. Uber. I think Uber's done. Yeah, he's finished eating. He fell asleep eating. Silly little guy. Poor little fella. Oh, you hear Mom outside. I just let her out. Tried to give her a big breakfast of heart, but she didn't want any. Oh, that wind is whistling through my garage door. Look at these guys go. Even little baby Uber is right in with the big kids. He's looking great. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. Baby Uber is just coming leaps and bounds. I had a small little dish for him in case he needed to have his own stuff, but he's right in there with the big kids. And they're just the nicest puppies for eating together. They're absolutely amazing puppies. And I'm not taking any credit for that. I don't know. They're just nice little puppies. Remington puppies. They're always nice puppies. They're just amazing. Look at that little Uber getting right in there. He's not taking no for an answer. He's like pushing the big kids. Oh, that's amazing. And his little belly is nice and fat. He's so little. That's his brother beside him. I swear he's a beagle. They're just so nice to each other while they're eating. I guess that's also because they're not starving by any means. They get fed so often, and oh, can we get you your special stuff, Uber? Oh, he says, wait a minute, I like what I have in here. Oh, they've done great. Laying right down to eat. I hope you can hear Mommy in the background. There's rabbits outside. Niblet was at the door, pawing at the door, meowing last night because there was a rabbit out eating bird seed right by the door. Did you get pushed out by an Uber? Hey, baby Uber, let me see if I can get you into this dish. Try this one. Try this one. Right there. Good boy. He's got to learn how to eat it on his own, so I'm not going to stick my hands in it today to pick it up for him. He's doing good. All the slurping. I love it. Okay. So Uber's finished. I actually did pick up some food in my hand to make sure he had enough. He got his little belly right full. And then he went and checked out the big kids' dish again. He stirred their stuff all up for them, so they're back into it. I think Uber might be feeling a little frisky. He was trying to get the other ones wrestling there a second ago. Hey, big boy. There's a big boy. There's my big boy. Hi, sweetie. Look at how cute you are, Mr. Big Boy. You all full now? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Handsome. Hi, handsome. Look at you. Hi, sweet boy. Yeah. Oh, he's got nice paws. Oh, he's gonna taste his mommy. Says, what do you have on your hand, mommy? Oh, we got some wrestling here. After breakfast wrestling. What are you doing with your brother, River? Being silly? Oh, look at this beautiful little girl. Oh, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. This is my beautiful girl, sweetie. Hi. Oh no, that's Birdie. Oh, there's Birdie. There's Sweetie. Sweetie's still in the dish. Sweetie's still in the dish. It's an Uber takedown. Uber says no. I'm telling Mom. He's doing amazing. This baby River, she's such a little brat. She's got the birdie by the tail. Oh. They were 4 weeks yesterday. She says, let me have another bite of food. Get off my back. Oh, she says, I'm the boss, and you better just mind that. I got the longest ears. Oh, look at that. Uber's right back over to the dish. That is so awesome. And little baby, Sweetie, she's never stopped. Don't you guys be jumping in the food dish. What are you doing? Hi, Uber. I thought you were eating.